Hello folks, Jay Austin from WoodWorking Blues. Real quick video to show you my progress on my workshop. For the few of you who have seen my videos, I was lamenting my problem with getting things done. Took me a while to get it insulated, but I got it insulated, and now I'm starting on the walls. There's my first section of sheetrock up, installed, and good to go. I mudded it pretty quickly, so you can see I was kind of sloppy, but I'm very happy with the results and just happy to get this thing going. I'm still very disorganized in here. I still have other projects I'm working on, but man, I'm stoked just to have this done. Doesn't look like a lot, but believe me, after months and months and months and months of doing nothing in here, I'm really stoked. So yeah, there we go. Not feeling so much like the loser that I was in the previous couple of videos. Last I think the two last videos I posted. Man, I suck at this. Anyway, there it is. Just a partial wall, but it's a wall. Long way to go. Long way to go. And yeah, as much as it pains me to show you, I'm going to do it anyway. Look at that. I had to move everything from the yard. I had all this stuff moved out to the yard so I could have room to work in here. But it's supposed to rain in the next few days, and I didn't want to get all my stuff wet. So here it is. Here it is. Look at that. Terrible. Terrible. But my stuff's not going to get wet. Look at this. Terrible. Horrible. Horrible. But I'm okay with it, because I got that done. Baby steps, y'all. Baby steps. I'm happy. I'm going to keep doing this. Hopefully, I'm going to keep moving on and getting all this boarded up, get some walls in here, and have a proper workshop one day. One day. Baby steps. Once again, this is Jay from WoodWorking Blues. Keep on woodworking.